Hello, champions. If you have ever felt deep down that you are meant for more, this message, especially for you. I'm not here to hype you, I'm here to remind you of what you already know. You are not confused, you are underutilized. You are not lost, you are just out of alignment. In this video, let me give you three signs that you are made for more and exactly what to do next. Number one, you feel unseen despite of your talent. You have got all the required skills. You have proven yourself, but somehow your value is not seen. You have outgrown your current environment, but you are afraid to outgrow your identity. This is your soul telling you there is more. What to do? Start by building personal visibility. Document your ideas. Share your voice. Your growth starts when you stop waiting for permission. I teach you in my system called VoiceMap, a three-step method to show up with clarity and build your personal brand. If you are just ticking boxes and you are waiting for promotions, appraisals, and roles, but your art inside still feels hollow, that's sign two. You have been chasing external goals without anchoring to your internal mission. Here, what I teach all my community member, purpose is not something you find, it's something you build from within. I call this as a impact map, a tool that designed a meaningful mission that aligns your passion along with your skills and service. When you follow that, you never burn out because you are lift up from within. Number three, you know you are playing small. If you are honest with yourself, you are already know this. You are not even operating at 50% of what you are capable of. You are settling for safety, and safety is enemy for greatness. But here is the truth, playing big doesn't mean quitting everything. It means starting small, but starting now. I help all my community people with the Freedom Map, a 90-day digital roadmap to turn your knowledge into income, even while working in 9 to 5 full-time job. The moment When people realize they are meant for more, they start moving. They invest in themselves. They show up differently. They stop overthinking and start designing. So, if any of these signs resonate with you, you feel unseen, you feel unfulfilled, you know you are playing small, then exactly for whom I have created 5C Career Clarity Launchpad. In this masterclass, I help you to overcome all these signs and I will guide you to free from stagnation and I will help you to create powerful system that will bring your secondary income without quitting your 9 to 5 job. Hi, I am Naveen K N, your career clarity strategist and digital coach. I help all working professionals like you to build their knowledge into a online digital coaching business. It's a free masterclass I will guide you through and you will get lot of resources, lot of frameworks to find your clarity and find your purpose. If you want 30 minutes free one-to-one clarity strategic call with me, click the link below and register for my free masterclass. I will connect with you personally and I will help you to gain clarity and build strong, powerful impact and freedom. This is not fluff. This is your first step to a career that finally fits you. Click the link and save your seat. I will see you live there. Let's move from stuck to shining. You are made for more. It's time to live like it. Let's do this together.